Hi, welcome to video 66, and this video is about your time blocks. It's about using time blocks to multiply your progress. So as you know, this section's about creating a start of week routine. And the next stage 3 of that, is to set some time blocks. So the first part is to get your 1-3-5 action plan out or on your laptop and read it and reconnect. The second part is to set your weekly outcome. The third part is time blocks. Now a time block is just a short space of time. It can be anything from 15-20 minutes upwards. And a time block is something that's pre-organized in your diary, and it's time that is protected. So to start with, it could be between 15 and 30 minutes. And they can be up to any time frame you want. But it's protected time where you know in that section of time you're going to do a certain task or complete a certain thing or get to a certain stage. When I was writing my book Unstoppable, I realised that I had to make better use of my time. It was something that I was very, very busy, and I knew the day was long enough, but I'll be honest, I wasn't always making the progress I could have made. So what I did was, I thought, well, for this to happen, I need to employ time blocks and learn more about that. I'd heard the phrase. So I spent a bit of time, a bit of money investing in getting better at these things, and it made a huge difference, it really did. So I've been putting off writing this book for quite some time, and I thought, right, I'm going to allow some time blocks. What I did was, for 10 weeks, I set a 5-hour time block on a Wednesday between 9 and 2. I then worked out another 2 time blocks following that of 5 hours each to pull the whole thing together and create a draft. And then another 2 time blocks to find a publisher. And what was amazing was in 14 weeks, I went from not having the book to writing 50,000 words, having the first draft, and identifying a publisher and having a proposal to work on. That was only possible because of time blocks. Now, I'm not going to suggest we start by allocating 5 hours straight off the bat. But what I am going to suggest is that every week before you start your week, before you get into the stuff, is to have at least 2 time blocks in your diary for you to work on you and on your business rather than in it. Start off with maybe 30 minutes, and as you get better, extend that time. But the action from this video is to read and engage with your action plan. Think about your weekly outcome and clarify it. And then part 3 is to set at least 2 time blocks in your diary of 30 minutes where you're going to be able to reflect and pull yourself out of the business, work on yourself and on your business for just 30 minutes twice a week, and just notice what happens when you stick to that.